guys, it's me, Ellie, and today I'm doing a slime review. So here's the case of one. It's called the Poopsie case. And there's some, it's gooey slime, but it is good. And so comment down below if you like this slime or the other ones. Let's get one. This one is a little bit hard to put in the container. It farts a little bit. Put that one on. I'll put it on after the video. Just need to get this off of there. I'll do it after. So the other one is really hard to open. Oh my gosh, I forgot. Pardon? So here's this one. And yeah, that one. And it's a really dark slime inside. So here this one is. It feels like a lot more like slime. So do you like this one? Comment down below which one you like, okay? Or subscribe. Our channel is James/Ellie Hair. So gotta put this back in the case. And yeah. Ellie, it's James and Ellie Hair, not / James and Ellie Hair. So here's my other one. It doesn't really have a fun case. So I made this one in a video. So you can actually go see that video. I'll put it in the description down below. It's in the description down below. So yeah. It might have been black the time you saw it, but I put some paint into it. So yeah. Bye guys. Subscribe and comment down below. Give us a huge thumbs up. Say it's James and Ellie Hair. Bye. And I made the names wrong. It's James and Ellie Hair, not James/Ellie Hair. Bye.